Dear students, a very good afternoon. It's an honor to teach the students of Industrial Chemistry attending the course BSCM503. The strength of the class is 21 students. Initially, only 19 students were attending the course and 2 were missing consistently for many classes. Yet, I was very hopeful that towards the end of the course, the 2 missing students will be joining. Faith is the evidence of the things we hope for. This is the definition of Saint Paul in the book of Hebrews chapter 11, which focuses on the heroes of faith. By God's grace, my faith became reality when Isha joined the class. Subsequently, the last missing student, Chirag, also started the class. Not only joined the class, to my surprise, Isha and Chirag participated in the Professor Aharon Gedanken's lecture series. In addition to the 19 students that were attending the course from the beginning, those students that have attended only the last few lectures would also join their hands with me in my mission to successfully organize and conduct Professor Aharon Gedanken's lecture series 2022. The motivation is like this. The students should be given an opportunity to project their talent, their skills. My assessment, my evaluation of class BSCM503 is they are highly courageous. Whatever task that is given to them, they are able to accomplish it to completion. On 17th October 2022, I just came to the class and announced to the students, dear students, I want to start Professor Aharon Gedanken's lecture series on the various topics that are involved in your regular curriculum of Unit 4 and Unit 5, and the lectures will be centered around energy. And I will be giving each of you the papers from Journal of Chemical Education, and you need to prepare and deliver the lecture. How many of you will be willing to take part in the lecture series? When I made the announcement, one by one, all the students present in the class raised their hand, and that really surprised me. The end of a thing is better than the beginning. As is the beginning, so is the ending. Initially, Penal initiated the first lecture, and the lecture series continued, and all the 21 students presented the lectures eloquently. I myself have learned much from the lectures of Penal Pandey, Devanshi Tataria, Devanshi Barot, Vaishnavi, Chirag, Isha, Harshi Panchasara, Manav, name whatnot. Everyone, all 21 students, I know each one of the students by name, and I was so happy to see that they have unique talent in one of them. Like example, Vaishnavi is a good teacher, her lecture is pedagogical. Manav is having his own independent selection of paper, selection of material. He is very independent in selecting his own material and presenting, as an expert research scholar on the topic of diesel. Likewise, Shreya Pancholi has presented on bioethanol. Riya has presented on biofuels. Preeti Vadiyar has presented on nuclear waste management. Shivani Singh has presented on nuclear disaster management. Yash Rohin has presented on nuclear fission. Chirag has presented on nuclear fusion. We have 3 lectures dedicated to corrosion. Corrosion in marine environment was presented by Chirag. Corrosion in the problem of water electrolysis is presented by Isha. Likewise, Parasar Patel has presented on the topic of corrosion by oxygen absorption. each of the lectures were focused on a particular problem. The problem that was given to the students has been very well addressed and solutions were provided. Fundamentally, each student has gone into the roots of the problem. Devanshi has presented a very nice lecture on superhigh elements, which is very complicated topic. It is the topic of the day. It is the news of the day. Okay.
Very good, Devanshi.
Likewise, yeah, Vinal has told that polystyrene has heat of combustion superior to gasoline, superior to diesel. So we have to use, we have to make the problem as an opportunity, the waste as a resource. Yeah, I got an opportunity to discuss the problem of water resources with Professor M.S. Swaminathan. You might know, Professor M.S. Swaminathan is the scientist behind Green Revolution. When I got an opportunity to interact with Professor M.S. Swaminathan from Chennai regarding water harvesting, yeah, he gave many innovative ideas, and finally he told that, Neil, we have to use problems as opportunities.
Yes.
Take the problem, utilize it as opportunity, and you will really able to become prosperous. Not only you will solve the problem, you will be sufficient in energy, you will be sufficient in agriculture, you will be sufficient in whatever problem you take up. That is what Vinal has presented. Vinal has shown us how we can use polystyrene, polyethylene and all polymeric waste that are vital to us to convert them into energy. Yeah, in bomb calorimeter she has shown us the energy content of this polymeric waste is similar and analogous to gasoline, conventional fossil resources. Today we are very fortunate to have with us a very good friend of mine by name Pandya. Please focus the photo towards Pandya.
Zoom. Please.
Pandya, he is a very selfless person. Because I'll tell you one simple example. I was supposed to receive my friend from Vadodara station, and on the 11th hour I need to travel far. On a bus or auto, I do not have a two-wheeler. But I asked Sanidhya that how to reach Vadodara train station. He offered a help. He said, I will go and receive your friend and I will bring your friend here because I have a two-wheeler. Such was his helping attitude. When I requested him that I need to take a printout of the certificates that I have prepared for the 21 students of class BSCM503, he has a solution. He is an entrepreneur, he is an investor, he is studying, BBM second year, but he is highly mature and highly talented. He knows how to take a pilot plant or an idea or a startup product. So I want him to be present here with us. Okay, the problem we are addressing is environment and energy, Pandya, and 21 students have delivered a very wonderful lecture on different topics. They are good speakers, eloquent speakers. हम 5 मिनट हमारा दोस्त पांड्या को थोड़ा थोड़ा encouraging words कुछ लफ्ज हिंदी में बोलने के लिए मौका दे रहे हैं, इनवाइट कर रहे हैं। कुछ लफ्ज आप हिंदी में। No hurry. You can share your views. You can encourage the students, and you can tell how we can transform our knowledge of chemistry, our knowledge of invention into marketable products.
Yeah, there are many ways. उसके लिए आपको entrepreneurship development डॉक्टर केदार शुक्ल के क्लास करने पड़ेंगे. So there are many lectures in week. I think Monday, Friday and Thursday. You can attend. मैं आपके ग्रुप में लिंक शेयर कर दूँगा और वो देख के आप ज़रूर अपनी entrepreneurship develop कर सकते हैं. Thank you.
Wow, thank you.
Continuing further, I request my friend Pandya to present the certificates as well as gift, because please stay with us, Pandya. It's an honor to have our friend. कुछ लफ्ज हमारा दोस्त हिंदी ने भी बताया कि आपको entrepreneurship और how to market your product, how to transform your ideas into money. How to transform your ideas into money, how to get funding for your things. You need to have interest in entrepreneurship qualification and the qualities, and you need to attend some lectures by
Yes.
experts in the field. That's what he suggested. It shows his humility. He himself is an expert in the field, but he never said that I will guide you. He is referring to expert faculty, such as his humility. Okay?
Yes.
That we should know. Okay? We have seen his humility and the humbleness from his words. It is because of his selfless attitude I want to show to the students how they should imitate my friend Pandya. Now, among all the 21 students, 4 students have won the first prize.
Three.
Sorry, it's not 3. I did a mistake in the calculation. The 4th student is Harshit Panchasara that has delivered on tidal energy. Pinul Pandey, out. Vaishnavi Tripathi,
Devansh
Devansh Tattaya,
और हर्षित
and Harshit Panchasara. We have 4 students: Pinal, Vaishnavi, Devansh, or Harshit. Sorry, I did a mistake in the calculation. We have 4 students that have won the first prize, 6 students that have won the second prize, and 11 students that have won the third prize. Those that have received the first prize are given a certificate as well as the prize amount of 500 rupees. Those that have won the second prize will be given a certificate plus a gift of rupees 400, and those that have won the third prize will be given a certificate and a prize of rupees 300. And this is in honor of my teacher, Professor Aharon Gedanken, who has given me the opportunity in his life to present to be as great scientist in the field of renewable energy. Yeah.
Please.
I invite our friend Pinal Pandey Satish Kumar to come forward and receive the certificate and the prize.
Please. Wow.
Congratulations, Pinal. Keep it up. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. You need to excel in your career. These are the good wishes from my teacher. Okay?
Yes.
The sign you see is from my teacher, Professor Gedanken. He is highly successful scientist. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Now I invite our friend Vaishnavi Tripathi.
Yes.
Such a great teacher, to come forward and receive the certificate.
Yes. Proud on you, Vaishnavi.
And the prize given to her, given in honor of her efforts.
ताली बजा.
We congratulate you Vaishnavi for being an excellent teacher. I must learn from you the teaching methods. Thank you.
Yes.
I now invite Devanshi.
Yes, sir.
Ashwin
Bye.
That has given an elaborate lecture on superconducting elements. 14th November 2022. I myself have launched from Devanshi's
Yes, sir.
because of the health problems.
Wow, congratulations, Devanshi.
Devanshi have faced really many problems, but she overcome all the problems and made it possible to present. I invite Pandya to give the certificate of appreciation and prize to Devanshi. Thank you. May God bless you. Yeah. Now I invite our beloved friend, Mahida Shiraj Kumar Jagdish Bhai, that has presented an eloquent lecture on corrosion in marine infrastructure. Okay, atmospheric corrosion. And the prize that he has received and the certificate are here. I invite Shiraj Mahida to come forward and take the prize. Congratulations. No. I thank my friend Pandya for making this
Yes.
get together possible. He is behind the driving, of course. You are getting the certificates on time, getting the currency on
Yes.
time. He provided me the money
Yes, sir.
I wanted some change, I could not go to bank to get the money, into hundreds and other denominations. Whatever help I need, he is always available. Such a nice person, that
Yes.
does jokes that are as youngsters, I want all of you to be, selfless and helping like, Pandya. Thank you, Pandya, for being with us. May God bless you.
Okay.
I take this opportunity to thank my teacher, Professor Aharon Gedanken, from Israel, that has given me, the privilege, Professor Gedanken says, in the name, you can use my name in all your academic endeavors, wherever you want. Such is the freedom, confidence, trust I enjoy with Professor Aharon Gedanken sir. Aharon Gedanken sir is going to celebrate his birthday on 24th of December. And
Please, sir.
dear students, as you can see, sir, 1 second, sir. Only dear students, as you can see, only 3 out of 21, only 4 out of 21 have attended. Still, we have how many students? 17 students.
Yes.
All the 17 students have won the prize. I have to give the certificates and the prizes. The students will personally collect from me, or we will have another get-together session to transform the lectures you have delivered into a book. Okay, I want the book on renewable and non-renewable energy sources with all your original opinions that you have presented in the lecture. I'm very happy that I could upload all your lectures in the internet so that teachers and the students from reputed institutes like MIT, Stanford, Oxford, Cambridge can get some new insights on the realms of energy and corrosion, in the realms of corrosion and energy. Thank you, students, for being with me.